love to see it, wouldn't you?
Hey?
You'd love to see it.
White hat, black gender.
Oh yeah, he's going to shoot. He's going I see him. My hand's full. Is that you? Oh. Oh, really?
You, mate.
It's easy.
Your mate shot you.
You shall never kill me. I will kill myself.
I'll save one for myself.
5 minutes? Yeah, we definitely want this.
Oi, quick. They're right ahead.
Yeah, get in, they will hit you.
Quick, Brandon, from the window.
Right, lads.
Yeah.
First combat situation, is it?
The first time going to an airsoft.
Woo! Mate, it's brilliant. Wait, do them hitting my gun count?
Yes.
Oh, it does, okay. That didn't hit my gun, did it? Or did it?
No.
Oh, cool.
Hit some of the tarpaulin.
Oh, bloody hell.
It's nice, isn't it?
I don't want to take my gloves off. Someone sprayed me full auto, lit up my fingernails. I don't want to take the gloves off now.
Yeah, but the great thing is you get to go home and get shouted at by your mum when she sees it, innit?
Oh, Mum will take the piss out of me. She'll come in when she knows I'm not doing anything with my headphones on playing games and she'll just slap it. She's like,
Get down.
I think they've given up at this point.
Didn't they do a countdown?
What?
Was that the countdown?
No, they're just saying like a minute.
I wonder if I can mow down these.
When the game
Oh.
Over there, they're over there.
I just chopped a twig.
They're trying to push.
Push in twain.
Left, George, left. Left, that way, George.
Over there, to the right, No, over there. You look, it's over.
It's the invisible sniper.
I think it's game over. I think it's game over.
Is that game over?
Oh, is it?
Who won? Oh. Oh. Not a bad game, eh? Yeah. 2 videos of 37 minutes each. Oh yes. Now let's shoot George. Oh, it feels so good.